Hello and welcome. I am Stephanie and super excited today as I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a ThredUp DIY designer box. Woo! I did one not that long ago, but I have another one and I'm trying to put together a box to send in to the Real. And so I wanted to do another unboxing. Because I want to have some items to add. I don't really have quite enough to send in there yet. It takes a few boxes. Sometimes I like to keep the items and sell myself, and then there are times when I want to. Oops, I'm gonna move this little. Well, that's okay. There are times when I just want to sell it myself, or there are times when I send it into the Real. But anyway, all right. So here it is. 7 items for $140 plus tax and shipping. Comes to about $22 per item. This one's pretty heavy. Wow, it's really heavy as a matter of fact. And it doesn't, there's nothing that you can tell, like you can't really tell what's in it at all. So, and again, I think this is the DIY designer. As soon as I got it, I wrote designer on it. So getting a little wiser in my ways here as time goes on. So, all right, let's just see. And yeah, this will tell us for sure. Rescue DIY designer. Now, by the way, these are designer items. There was a period of time a while back that they were putting in like luxe items, and it was like, even though they were good items, they weren't really worth it. But now they've been doing better in the last, I don't even know, probably 6 months, a year even. They've been doing a lot better. A lot of the items you get are actually designer. So I'm excited. I am so excited. All right, here is this. Here we go. Here is the first look. Well, you sure can't tell much from the first look. Not at all. I don't see any names. I don't really see anything that could give us a clue. That's okay. That's part of the fun. So, by the way, the DIY designer, I traditionally have gotten women's items in there, but you can get men's and children items sometimes too. One time I thought I was getting a children's item. And it was a woman's jacket. I'm like, that looks like it could fit this thing right here. But anyway, Gucci! Woo! I got a Gucci. A Gucci polo top. Oh, oh my gosh, look at that. That's great. That is great. The tag, one of the stitching came out of the tag. It says made in Italy. I don't know if this is men's or women's. Oh, that's adorable. Look at that sleeve. Isn't that great? Let's see. I don't know if it's, no, there's no stains. There's no holes. I don't see anything wrong. There's a little bit of lint. I need to lint roll it, but it's black. I don't know what size it is. I'm going to see if I can figure that out, but it's in really good shape. I cannot believe it. Let's see, all 3 buttons are there. I mean, would they really put this in here if it was just for the tag coming off? Gucci. I don't really see what size it is. Made in Italy. Blah, blah, blah. Some of the tag has gotten a little bit faded. Like, I hate when that happens because the information's there, but you can't quite access it. It's kind of a bummer. I'm going to have to get a magnifying glass and see if I can figure out what size this is. And I'm really surprised they wouldn't have it here. But anyway, it looks like about a women's medium, or maybe even a large. It might be a large. It's so stinking cute. I might tack that back on with a piece of red thread if I can find one that looks right. Anyway, any bag that starts with Gucci in good condition I'll take it. Yay. All right, this next one looks like a bandage dress, just from, look at that. It's that bandage kind of back and forth bandage. Oh my gosh. Can I please wear a size 2 again, please? When I see, Hervé Leger. Hervé, OMG. Look at this dress. Are you kidding me? All right, if anyone's in the market for a New Year's dress, it's a size, I think it's a medium. Yeah, it's a medium. Look at that. Size medium. Whoops, there we go. Do you see the size? It's right in the M is right on the top of the tag there. It's a size medium. It's really stretchy. Oh my gosh. It's a midi dress. I don't see anything wrong with it, but let's see. I'll look it over right now. Looking it over a little bit better on camera might go a long way. Okay, the zipper works great. And there's, the nice thing is, okay, there's these little grippy things at the top. But I think it's a, what's the word again? It's a bandage dress, so it's meant to be tight. It's meant to be worn tight. So this thing will, oh my gosh, look at this dress. It's beautiful. Oh, there's nothing wrong. It actually looks new. I don't see any wear on it at all. Not even, I mean, it looks brand new. I'm going to show you up close this beautiful front. Oh, okay. It's not a tiny, it's a size medium. But of course these stretch, so that's how they stay on your body. So what is the word I'm looking for? Bandage, but there's another, I can't think of the word. But as soon as this video is done, I'm sure I'll think of it extremely quickly. You know how that goes. All right, there's another item, a beautiful dress. Feels like silk. It's all the way, it's a long dress, goes down to the ankles. I'll get a shot of it. I'll get a shot when it's hanging up so you can see. Look at that beautiful front. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh. It's Zimmerman. It's Zimmerman size 3, which I don't know Zimmerman sizing. But let me just tell you, this is kind of like a dusky rose, light pink color. And it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Size 3. I don't know Zimmerman size 3, but I'm going to put it on the screen. Let me just see what this is made of. Feels like silk. This is worth some money, this dress right here. I'll tell you that right now. It's got a lining inside of it. Here we go. All right, so Zimmerman. Dry clean only. No surprise there. 100% silk. A Zimmerman silk dress. Yes, please. I'll take it. It zips down the back. I'm going to show you the Zimmerman tag so you can see that. Zimmerman size 3. Are you kidding? Another one that would be great for New Year's. The zipper is working great. Now, this is a light color. I assume somewhere there might be a stain on it, but sometimes when you open an item, you can go, nah, there's something wrong with this one. This one, actually all 3 that I've opened so far, I haven't gotten that vibe at all. Like this one doesn't, there might be somewhere to it. Maybe it was worn once. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, the inside here does show a little wear. Just some rubbing on it maybe. But that's, anyway, it's in great condition. I don't see any stains. I will look it over in more detail. And I will also figure out what size 3 means in Zimmerman because I don't know. I haven't sold enough Zimmerman to know. Bummer, I don't see any bags in here. But, maybe there's some under. Nope, no bags. So this is item number 4. And after this, we've got all shoes. Okay, I'm not going to peek. I was trying to peek. Okay, but I did not. This is tiny Valentino. Woohoo! And it's a skirt. And I believe it's a pencil skirt. It's a midi skirt, basically. It goes down below your knees. And it goes to your thighs. And it is beautiful. There's the tag, and it's been authenticated. The zipper, it's a black. Black is the color. And it's not got a lot of details. It's just the skirt. So what is the size, though? Do you not see the size there? It's stretchy. Oh, there's one little mark, which will come off easily, I'm sure. Right here. You can see that right there. And if it doesn't, it's very minor anyway. So, all of my items today will be sold as is. However, if there's an item you're like, oh, I don't like it. I don't like what you shipped me. I will take returns because I don't want you to be unhappy. I don't sell things to make people unhappy. I'm not one that just wants to make the money and run. I want people to be happy. So I don't know what size this is. I'm going to have to investigate some more or just measure and give you the measurements. But offhand, I'm going to say that's about a 26-inch waist. So it's about like a size 6 or so. Maybe even an 8, but we will see. All right, next up. 3 pairs of shoes. Which ones are the best? I have no idea. Well, we're going to start with these. Oh, okay. These are Ferragamo. And they're kind of cloth. There's the hardware, and they're slip-ons. They look in really good condition. There's the fabric, there's the front, the toes, the other side, the inside, and then here is the bottoms. So the bottoms obviously do show wear. If you wear a pair of tennis shoes outside the house at all, they're gonna get this way. That's all there is to it. You see the Ferragamo name is on the back too. You can see that there. There is somewhere, and I don't know what the size is, but oh, here we go. 9.5C. So it's 9.5 wide is what that is. It doesn't look real wide though. I would just say 9.5. That does not, I have a wide foot and that does not look wide to me at all. I think these run wide, or they run narrow to start with, and so a C is probably more like a regular. That's just a guess. All right, next up is, I don't know what brand this is. Okay. Oh, it's Jeppi Zenati design. Oh, size 38. Suede. Oh my gosh. Can we take a moment and just appreciate how good of condition all these items are that I've gotten so far? Oh, I'm super happy. I'm super happy. Oh my gosh. I am so happy. All right. These are suede pumps. Look at these. They're suede. And every time I see suede, I kind of go, oh no. Because suede, it's easier to damage and not as easy to condition and clean up as regular smooth leather is. But these are in great condition. Jeppi Zenati 38, which is about a 7.5. There's the toe. Good condition. I don't see any rips. Here, I'm going to show you the... Actually, these match great with that bandage dress. They've got the same folded ribbon kind of design. See that? So, so pretty. The heels are not suede. The heels are just shiny. I assume a tough acrylic. Anything that makes shoes has to be tough. And of course the soles are leather because that's what you get with designer shoes a lot of the time. Jeppi Zenati. I'm just going to show you. Let's see. So you can see the inside. Jeppi Zenati. And here is the name and the logo if you can see that. They're in great shape. I'm shocked. Here's the bottoms of them. Yeah, that is a great find. I'm going to clean up the insides, and I'm probably use a little suede brush and make sure the suede is all kind of brushed out. But that's good. Okay, we got one item left. Wow. Oh my God. You know, it takes so little to make me happy. Alexander McQueen. I love these. Anytime I've gotten Alexander McQueen items, they have sold super fast. Oh my gosh. These are leather tennis shoes. They're in amazing condition. They're in really good condition. I cannot believe they're almost, I don't want to say they're like new, but if they were worn at all, they were only worn. There's no, I mean, look it up close here. They're in great condition. I mean, you can see some wear to the bottoms, but no, I don't see any heel drag or anything, so there's not enough wear that somebody wore, part of the heel material off. I can't believe these shoes. What size are they? Size 36, so they're tiny. So that's like a size 6 or 5.5 or 6, something like that. Whoever bought these, like here's the inside. Here is the bottoms. Here is the back. And then here is the toe. And then of course here is, you can't really see the Alexander McQueen name because it's kind of like embossed in there. It's just, yeah, it's embossed into the sole, into the insole. I cannot believe, these are great. These are super great. They're in excellent condition. I didn't get a single item in this box that I thought was in poor condition. I can't believe this. Okay, let's go over this wonderful box again. We've got the Alexander McQueen shoes, Jeppi Zenati, beautiful suede heels, size 38, size 9.5C Ferragamo slip-ons with a rubber grippy sole, by the way. Valentino skirt, which I have to find the size, but it's great. By the way, this Valentino skirt has stretch to it. So hopefully I'll be able to find a tag. The unbelievable Zimmerman dress, size 3. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that. And then we've got this beautiful bandage dress by Hervé Leger. I don't know how you say that. Probably I'm saying it wrong. Pretty sure I am. It's a bandage dress midi. So cute. Size medium. And last but not least, we got our good friend Gucci with the adorable Gucci down the sleeve. Oh my gosh. I don't remember if I showed the Gucci tag. Did I? I don't know. I'm going to show you again just in case. There it is. Oh my gosh. I'm super happy with this box. You know what? I got a lot of different items in this box, which I love. So, okay. Thank you so much for watching. This is just a short video, but please do leave me, if you enjoy my content, please do subscribe to my channel. I post at least once a week. Sometimes maybe 8 days or 9 days, but usually it's once a week. I'm trying to up that. I'm trying to do more. But I do work full-time in marketing at a software company. And so this is my side gig, but I've really been amping up my side gig. So I'm running out of minutes in the day. That's why I don't post as much as I used to. But I'm trying to amp up the posting again. So hopefully it'll be 1 or 2 times per week. Anyway, mystuffstyle@gmail.com. If you'd like to buy anything, shipping is $6 for one item or $8 for as many as you care to buy. And thank you so much for watching and have a great day.